Well, here's what happens when you put your shit off. It's getting wintertime here in West Virginia, and my accelerator linkage fell off. So I've got to prime it by hand. It's cold. Wait for the gas to come out. Also, my choke linkage is not hooked up, so I can't just start it up and sit there. Got to sit in the car. Usually takes a couple times before it works. Let's see what we get here. This is old Ford F100, 1966. There she comes. Now, when I shut her down, when I take my foot off the gas, of course it's going to die. Yeah, there we went. So let's try it some more. I'm a busy person. I probably should have fixed this shit. It's getting winters. It's like an easy fix. I couldn't get the linkage back on. I dropped it. I haven't taken the time to find another one yet. It kept falling loose. I kept putting it back on. Then I dropped it on the ground. I can't find it. Years ago in the grass. So here we go again. Let's try. It'd be really helpful if I'd fix that linkage, fix that choke. I could just get in this bad boy and fire her up. I got the 4-speed manual on the floor. Granny gear. This thing purrs like a kitten once it gets warmed up. I'm gonna go ahead and crank this heater on. Get this thing rolling. At least I did fix that. That had a leaky core on it when I got it. I hate that radio. I've got a 70 dump truck that's got an original AM radio in it. I think I'll just go online and buy me a cheap one on eBay. I really don't care if it works or not. That one don't work. I mean, there's nothing to I care less about the radio. I just don't like that look right there. I want the vintage radio. This is a 66. It has showing 33,204 miles, which who knows how many times it's rolled over. I just put a brand new clutch in it, pressure plate, had the flywheel serviced. It's a work truck, people, a work truck. Now it's going to die when I get out, but it'll start right back up now that I've got the juices flowing in it. We'll see if it's right or wrong. I ain't even got my house slippers off yet, damn it. Okay. I'm going to let off of the throttle. See if I had that choke fixed, I could just leave this thing sitting here. I'm getting ready to load the dogs up and go to work. It's going to die, but it'll start back up. I'll keep it running and back it up in the driveway. I thought I was wrong, didn't you? That heater doing its job already. Garbage up there. Yeah, if I see this side, I'm good. Yeah. It's too busy to leave it running while I'm trying to get it in gear and turn it, so I'm probably going to end this video. We'll see. Oh, here we go. Got an incline here. Gotta keep it in the concrete or it'll spin. There we go. guys. I have to get my